Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix Valorant error code val29. This is usually a network issue. So in your Windows search, type services and then go find VGC. Just right click and go to the properties. Choose automatic in your startup type and then click stop. But don't worry, we will change that later. Now click apply and OK. Now go to your Windows search again and type virus and threat protection. You'll be directed to your settings. In your virus and threat protection setting, click manage setting, scroll down and go to your exclusions. Now you need to add Valorant to your exclusions. In your Riot Games folder, click Valorant, click live, shooter game, binaries, Win64, and then find Valorant Win64 shipping.exe. Now it will exclude the Valorant in your virus protection. Now go back to your services and then right click and then start. Now restart your PC and then you can launch the game again. Hope this helps.